So today we're going to be cooking something really green, but don't be fooled, just because it's green doesn't mean it's not going to be comforting. We're making an amazing green kale fettuccine pasta, fully vegan. So let's start cooking. Wash and strip the kale leaves from their stems. Discard the stems. Then peel and finely chop the garlic. Bring a large pot of salted water to the boil. Once boiling, add the fettuccine. Add the kale to the pasta pot. Cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, using tongs, carefully transfer the kale leaves straight into the food processor. Cook the pasta for a further 5-7 minutes until al dente, or cooked to your liking. Then drain and reserve a cup of pasta water. Add the olive oil, stock cube, cashew cream cheese, garlic, and you can adjust here to your liking, as well as the boiled water that you reserved to the food processor. Then season with salt and pepper. Add a very generous squeeze of lemon juice, at least half, and then blitz for a few minutes until smooth. This is your green sauce. Return the drained fettuccine to the pasta pot along with green sauce. Give everything a good mix and then divide among plates. Drizzle with olive oil and garnish with the chili flakes. Watch out, these are spicy. Enjoy! Fast, fun and simple. I can't wait to tuck into this Hulk green food, full of goodness, full of comfort. If you enjoyed this video, you might find some similar recipes if you click here. Subscribe to our channel for some more, but for now, bon appetit!